Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create name label stickers using Canva. Canva is a fantastic and beginner-friendly website where you can edit designs and videos easily. It's great for customizing pre-made templates. First, you need to create an account. Once your account is set up, you'll see this interface. Next, use the search bar and look for a name sticker. Search and scroll through the results. Some options are paid, but don't worry, there are plenty of other choices. Explore until you find one you like. I really like this one, so let's customize it. Now you can edit whatever you like. You can modify any part you want. Thank you for joining. If I want to say, thank you so much, or anything else, just add it in. If you want to modify anything, you'll be able to. And if you want to change the color of the font or text, then just click on the text and you'll see the option to change the color. If you want to undo, there's an option for that. If you want to change the font, just select the text and go to Other Fonts. You can choose any font you like. This way, you can experiment with the fonts as well. If you want to add more elements, go to Elements and type in anything you want. For example, pods. In this way, you can add any elements you like. If you want to change the color of a kitty, that's possible as well. After your design is complete and you want to export it, here's how. To export, click Share and Download. If you want to download it as JPG, PNG, PDF, PDF print, or even video, all these options are available. So, this is how you can simply download it. That's the easy way to make your own name label stickers in Canva. I'll see you in the next video.